Say hello to the Palermo chat table from Ebel, the easygoing centerpiece that makes every outdoor hang feel a little more effortless. Its clean, modern profile pairs perfectly with lounge chairs and sofas, and the slatted top keeps things practical by letting rainwater pass through, so you are always ready for the next get-together. Under the style is serious outdoor performance. The table is built from powder-coated aluminum that will not rust, so it handles sun, moisture, and coastal air with simple care. It is sturdy, yet light enough to move when you are refreshing your layout, and it stays looking sharp season after season with just an occasional rinse. Choose a contemporary finish like graphite or white to match the rest of your setup and create a cohesive look. What makes Palermo special is how easily it coordinates. This table ties together the entire Palermo collection, so you can start with a few chairs today and add sofas, swivel rockers, or a sectional later without worrying about style clashes. Quality construction, thoughtful design, and reassuring residential warranties round out the package, giving you long-term confidence along with everyday convenience. So if you're ready to learn more or shop for this item, our San Diego-based team is ready to help. Or if you're not in the San Diego area, just click the link to this item in the description below.